Hello everyone, welcome to the one question series of Avlokan IAS. Today we are going to discuss a question that is asked in CSAT 2022 and it belongs to the number system topic. The question is, consider the question and two statements given below. The question is x an integer? So we have to answer whether x is an integer or not. Given x by 3 is not an integer. Statement 1 is x by 3 is not an integer. So we can say that x can be 4, 5, or we cannot take 6 because then it will be an integer, and we can take also maybe 2.7, numbers like decimal number. So 2.7 upon 9 is 0.9 and it is also not an integer. So from statement 1, x by 3 is not an integer, can we say that x is going to be integer? We cannot say whether it's going to be integer or not. We cannot answer that. Next is statement 2 is 3x is an integer. 3x is an integer. So 3x, let's say 3x is my 4, then what is going to be my x? X is going to be by 4 by 3. So in that case x is not an integer. But if 3x is 9, then x is going to be 3. So in that case x is integer. So I cannot say from this, if 3x is an integer, I cannot tell whether x is an integer or not. So from any one of them, we are not able to answer this one. So both statement 1 and 2 are not sufficient to answer the question. And we can even take their cumulative. X by 3 is not an integer, 3x is an integer. So let's take x by 3 is not an integer, let's take 2.7, or 3x is an integer, let's take we can take maybe 4 by 3. So again both of them are also not sufficient to answer the question. So my answer is D. Thank you, we'll meet again.